Hello everyone. We are just waiting for few of our friends to join in and then we will start. Okay. Yes. Hi. Hello. So welcome everyone. So here we just started with the concept of psychotalks. So psychotalks, generally people think it's like people talking something psycho, but it is actually something which is very relatable to each and every person. And it's just like people's life that we are just going to share what we are doing, what we have the capabilities, and just feeling special. Okay, so let's have our first guest today. We have Divijot Kaur, and she is like, I would say, master of all, and she has been doing a lot of good work professionally, and she has achieved so many things in such a short span of time and at such a young age. And let's welcome her. Let me share the invite. Hi, Divijot.
Hi, Qatar. Hi. I was actually listening to everything you were saying about me, and that is so not true. That is so not true.
I would love to sing the song here. Hor das kinniya tarifa chaidiya tenu.
Okay. Thank you.
How are you
Thank you.
doing?
Thank you. Enjoying the lockdown, the slow life.
The slow life? Okay, we are going to talk about it. Let's see how slow you are having.
Sure thing, sure
Okay.
thing.
So let me share a little bit about Divijot. Presently, she is a manager to PNB. She is a banker. That's professionally, but there is a lot more that she is doing. So, with as you started with COVID only, like it's very slow. So tell me about your COVID schedule, like especially with the lockdown. What happened in the lockdown?
Okay, Qatar. So, to be very honest, मेरा कोई lockdown नहीं हुआ. There was no lockdown. As you know, banks were open. I stay in Mohali in Punjab. So Punjab had a curfew for 3 days. तो वो 3 दिन मुझको पक्का छुट्टी थी. पर उसके अलावा there was no lockdown. I must admit कि मेरा working schedule थोड़ा कम हो गया था. Because usually मेरा ऑफिस का टाइम 10 से 8, 10 से 7 ऐसा रहता है. But it was like 10 to 5 was normal. क्योंकि 2 ढाई बजे हम लोग we used to stop customer service at around 2. So I did not really have a lockdown. So there was not a very slow life. But जितना भी था अच्छा था. ऐसे रिग्रेट नहीं करने का कि बिल्कुल ही लॉकडाउन नहीं मिला. बट जितना भी था इट वाज नाइस. आई एम ग्लैड दैट इवन इतने भी टाइम में जो मुझको टाइम मिला उसमें आई कुड डू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स जो मुझको इन रेगुलर शेड्यूल या इन माय डेली शेड्यूल मुझे वो चीजों को टाइम देने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता था जैसे किताबें पढ़ने का या मुझे ड्राइंग करने का बहुत शौक है मुझे उसका टाइम नहीं मिल पाता था आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग कैलीग्राफी लास्ट ईयर तो मुझे उसको परस्यू करने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता था बट सो आई थिंक दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस लॉकडाउन दैट जो जो चीजें मुझको करनी थी और जिन चीजों को मैं नॉर्मली टाइम नहीं दे पाती थी उन चीजों को मैंने बहुत अच्छे से टाइम दिया.
That's so beautiful. So we all realize that how lockdown is important, and there are more things also which are in our life that we should give time to.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Okay. So I would like to know more about your childhood. How was it?
Wow.
Best
Okay.
of your memories. I'll make it a little simple. One
No,
memory of
no, it's
your
okay.
childhood that was the best.
Okay, the best memory has always been the fact that throughout my childhood, I've always been this very, very cheerful person. सच में I have always been I think that I have this thing कि मैं हमेशा बहुत ज्यादा खुश रहती हूँ despite of any circumstances. So I think the fact that I've always kept up with that happy face is something that I look back and I cherish कि मैं हमेशा हंसती हुई ever I think about my childhood तो तुमको हमेशा मैं हंसती हुई मिलूंगी, nothing else. But
That's wonderful.
that's definitely not it. अगर मुझे वैसे childhood explain करना हो तो I would just say that it was full of all kinds of experiences. तुम अच्छे से अच्छा और बुरे से बुरा सब सब देखा है.
So you were a
So it
naughty
is,
child,
I was,
or you
I
were?
still am an extremely naughty child. मेरी आंखें देखो.
I love that. It's good to be naughty.
I am extremely naughty and still extremely naughty.
That's so great. And what about your college days?
Come on, you were a part of my college days, you know.
And we do had so many different opinions about each other till the time we actually, met.
So let me take your chair for a while and tell me. So how were your college days, Qatar? What do you have to say
Ah,
about it?
you want it. So I
Come
would
on.
say, like everyone talks about it, college days are the best days. Indeed, they are. Indeed, they are. But for me, I won't say that was my life. So it was a mix of experience for me, if I honestly tell you. And yes, I do had beautiful time, beautiful people who are still with me. I can, at that time, I was counting on them, and today also, after like maybe 5 years or so, today also I can count on them. So that's why that's the best thing that I have got from the college. So don't
So you
chase the chairs now, it's on you only.
no. Let's make it a very healthy discussion, right? So, okay,
Definitely,
you
definitely.
said that that was not everything about your life. So what is life for you? To make
We
line
will
bole
discuss
abhi.
about me a little later, but let me take over
Perfect.
here. So,
Perfect.
from the college days, if I remember about you, you were very active in many of the activities. So, you were taking part in MUNs, okay? You were like so active in the, organizing events, participating in events, and quite famous in all the, I would say, college.
Infamously famous.
So, I would definitely, me and even the friends who are joining here, we would love to know about your passion about this particular thing, about organizing events, about the debates. You were so outspoken, and it's not only outspoken, you were knowledgeable as well. So, that was like the girl who talks sense.
I did not know that. Thank you so much. Okay, so like I said, I love creating. Anything that involves creating is something that I love. चाहे वो on paper हो, in life हो, through events हो, या I love it. I love creating and I love sharing. You would always find me जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे, बहुत सारे opinions होंगे. It always does not have to be intelligence, okay? तुम्हें हर इंसान से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिल सकता है. एक छोटे से छोटे इंसान से लेके बड़े से बड़े इंसान तक. So I think basic reason I was always involved in all kinds of events was this, that I got to meet a lot of different people, one, and then creating. Creating any kind of work is something that keeps me going. So I think these two are the core reasons why we would always find me in events or MUNs or any kind of shows, to be
Ah,
precise.
that's wonderful. And you were never scared, or like you were like very confident even whenever you were sharing your opinion, even to the very of the sensitive topics as well. I do remember them. So so if I say like you were strong enough, you were confident enough. So what do you think? What is actually your backbone on this part, which makes you so strong with your thought process and even presenting it up?
Okay, we have a comment stating that she talks sense and too much too, always energetic. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you. Hi, by the way. And okay,
I have a proof
strength.
now. See, thank you,
Okay,
Gaurav.
um, I was never the confident one. Let me be very honest. I am not somebody who's very confident. I have severe stage fear. मतलब अगर मुझे स्टेज पे चढ़ना होगा, you would always find me shivering. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
that's the truth. Maybe it does not show on my face, but I am not a very confident person. I have my own drawbacks. I have a lot of insecurities. I have a lot of fears, apprehensions, and but yes, जो है वो है. I have never been afraid to say what I feel. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर तुम अपना बिलीफ नहीं रख पाते हो ना, तो फिर कोई तुम पे if you don't know what you want or what you stand for, how can you expect people to know what you are or what you stand for?
Exactly.
So,
So
so
true.
you need to know ना, अच्छा है, बुरा है, गलत है, सही है. All these things are material, right? You know what you want. You know what you stand for. That's it. तुम्हें वो पता होना चाहिए, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. सही गलत comes a lot later.
So true. And I would even commit here. When even people say to me, "You are so confident whenever I am representing something, we are talking publicly, we are on stage, even with me also." So even I feel that those butterflies in the stomach or something around my neck. So those fears are with me also, Divijot. But still, people say, you are so confident, and I really doubt. Are you telling me the truth? I was confident because sometimes I don't feel that.
Right.
Yeah, but that's the thing. When we say, psychotalks is all about people sharing their original self. So yes, we all feel that fear whenever we come to the stage, and then gradually it might goes. So here I would love to share an experience with you. So me and my cousin aunt, so we were discussing this little thing about how we can boost confidence in children. Okay, so generally what parents do कि अरे डर लग रहा है तो क्या हुआ, कोई बात नहीं, तुम तो शेर हो, है ना, पंजाबी में ना, तू तो मेरा शेर पुत्र है है ना. So go for it. So she shared it. So when my daughter, so she, it's like on her base, I'm just telling you. So she said, when my daughter came to me and she said, Mama, I'm scared. I don't want to go to school because it's my turn today to go on the stage and speak. And I'm scared. So she asked me, so tell me what would I have answered. तो मैंने कहा यही बोला होगा आपने, तू तो मेरा शेर बेटा है, तो क्या हो गया, go for it. She said no, I didn't said that. I said तो क्या हुआ, डर तो सबको लगता है, आपको पता है मम्मा को भी डर लगता था. एंड व्हेन यू नो कि सबको डर लगता है तो आप ट्राई तो करो. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट शी चेंज्ड,
So true.
getting the
So
child
true.
into the confidence that everyone goes through it, because I think that's the hypothetical thing which all of us goes through, all the dreamy things कि ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं है, ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं, अरे ऐसा होता है.
हाँ,
So us goes through this. So if we
so true.
realize this at the very early stage, so I think we can definitely nail it up. कि अरे
Of
डर
course.
सबको लगता है, so this is something normal. This is
अरे
not
अंत
something
में
out
हम
of the
सब
blue.
अरे अंत में हम सब यही तो चाहते हैं ना. वी वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंटायर थिंग. जो भी सोसाइटी है या ग्रुप है, बच्चों को ऐसा ही लगता है ना. अब देखो, बच्चों को यू कैन नॉट, उनके दिमाग में इतना कुछ मैच्योर चीजें तो तुम डाल नहीं सकते. उस बच्चे को ये लगता है कि इतनी सारी क्लास में अगर मेरे से गलत गड़बड़ हो गई तो, अगर मैं अटक गया तो, क्योंकि फिर लोग ऐसे बोलेंगे ना, तो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अलग हो जाऊंगा या मुझे लोग पॉइंट आउट करेंगे. सो यू ऑलवेज वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट कम्युनिटी, राइट? एंड जब तुम किसी को ये बोलोगे कि सर सबके साथ होता है, तो तुमको ऐसा लगता है अच्छा सबके साथ ऐसा ही होता है. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग एक्चुअली. कि मैं भी ट्राई करूंगी.
So it's just like accepting it is there,
सो
accept,
ट्रू.
and then move on.
सो ट्रू.
Okay, so moving ahead. So, Devajot, one thing that you are grateful for in your life.
I think one thing I'm truly grateful for is myself. I am grateful for this person I have been through this entire time. I have supported myself when I was good and when I was not. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर मैं खुद के साथ नहीं हूं ना, तो फिर तो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट एंड द truest person I'm grateful for is myself. Whatever and whosoever I am today, ये मैं, इसने इसने किया है सब कुछ, तो इसीलिए आई थिंक आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई सेल्फ और फॉर द पर्सन आई एम टुडे.
So nice. Okay, one more question. Um, one particular, I won't ask you to name it, but one particular thing that made an impact to your mind कि मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं करना है. I won't ask you what is your inspiration. I am asking the other way around.
अरे हमारी इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री,
ऐसा मुझे कभी नहीं
इससे
करना
आगे,
है.
हमारी इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री, इसके आगे नहीं जाना है, इसके आगे नहीं जाना है, ये नहीं करना है. आई थिंक करतार, लोग कहते हैं तुमको पता होना चाहिए तुमको क्या चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा
Yes.
लगता है कि ये पता होना कि तुमको क्या नहीं चाहिए, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. तुमको, मतलब सच में हम लोग, हमारे मम्मी पापा कहते हैं ना कि तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है तुमको क्या करना है. अरे भैया, मुझको पता है मुझको क्या नहीं करना है. आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट, ये माय डिग्री, आई न्यू आई कुड नॉट टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग आई नहीं करना है, बिल्कुल नहीं करना है.
That's how even your other talents were coming out when, like you were like we were into the engineering days. So I remember like almost when we approached to our last of the years, some of us were preparing for the placements, some of us were preparing for the masters in engineering, like MTech or GATE and all these exams. Then few of us were going for the banking exams, and then some were there for the MBA exams. So I think you were quite sorted on that part. Either you wanted to be for that complete corporate MBA, that you know specific industry, and or it's the banking. Because I had a power internet issue. Yeah. So here, hello.
Yeah, sure. Here.
Okay. So you were quite clear at that part also कि मुझे क्या नहीं चाहिए. Again, coming back to here कि मुझे क्या नहीं चाहिए, क्या चाहिए. So you were more with the banking and the MBA stuff, and that's how you started preparing for few of the things. Okay, and we are
Yes.
just going to now talk about that because when it's like career and it's life, it is something which most of us are dealing. Most of us are into the jobs which we never wanted to be in. Most of us. That's why how the all the stress and problems come up. So when I remember when you were preparing and you are one of the youngest managers out there, so you would definitely be having your, other colleagues with you who are, quite elder than you, but they are not holding that designation, right? So my first question here is how you achieved this position. So we would love to know how you prepared for these exams and how tough it was. What were the challenges at that time?
So let's start with how did I prepare for it. I prepared it for the entire thing myself. मुझे ये पता, like I said, मुझे ये पता था मुझे क्या नहीं करना, पर मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझको एमबीए करनी चाहिए उस टाइम पे या नहीं. So what did I do? I gave my exams and I simultaneously appeared for these exams for the jobs as well. So I got I got this job as well, और एमबीए भी आई गॉट सफिशिएंट परसेंटाइल के आगे किया जा सकता था. बट फिर मुझको ऐसा लगा कि जब मुझे वही जॉब एमबीए के बाद करनी है, अब एमबीए के बाद भी अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो आई वुड वांट टू बी एन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर, राइट? दैट वुड बी एन अल्टीमेट एम. सो व्हाई नॉट डू दैट थिंग पहले? बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुम ऐसा, वो कहते नहीं, पोथा पोथे पोथे जगमुआ, वो एक दोहा
Yes.
है जो, ठीक है, पोथा पढ़ पढ़ जगमुआ, पर एक्सपीरियंस है ऐसा, मुझे पूरा याद नहीं है मैं, और मैं गलत बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ. सो आई
Find it
थिंक
for
कि
you, don't worry.
हाँ, प्लीज डू दैट. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एमबीए करके भी तो मैं वही करती ना इवेंचुअली. तो व्हाई नॉट,
Right.
जो ऑप्शन मुझे पहले मिल रहा है वो मैं 2 साल वेस्ट करके उसके बाद क्यों करूँ?
Mm-hmm.
And eventually you do have options of executive MBAs, or you want to complete your studies in a shorter period or something of that sort. So I would honestly say that it wasn't a difficult task back then. आज की डेट में वो एग्जाम ज्यादा मुश्किल है, पर उस टाइम आसान थे. Um, so that happened, and I took a
Sorry,
decision to pursue my job. It's okay. Yeah,
just a second.
sure,
Just
sure, sure.
give me a moment. That's called as working from home. Yes.
Hmm. So I was saying कि तो it was easier back then. तो paper exam clear हो गया था. But yes, the decision that I should pursue MBA or I should pursue a job was difficult. It was tricky, but I eventually
Mhm.
had pursued with my job. उसके बाद रही बात yes. ये तुमने बहुत sensitive topic बोला है कि I have people who are elder, quite elder to me. In fact, जिस ब्रांच को मैं अभी हेड कर रही हूँ, उसमें भी एक टाइम पे ऐसा सिचुएशन था कि जो मुझसे सबसे बड़े थे, मतलब जो मुझसे बिल्कुल इमीडिएट थे, उनका एज भी was 50. So the immediate next person I could talk to was 50 years old. इससे पहले I stayed in Gujarat for a while, and even that in that branch I had the immediate person who was next to me with 37, 38. So I do feel that, but how do I how do I cope up with that? I think knowledge has nothing to do with age. आई एम नॉट
True.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ये चीज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं उन मैनेजर्स में से नहीं हूँ, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, जो अपना ओहदा, जैसे हम ये चीज नोट करते हैं कि जितने भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स में लोग होते हैं या ऐसी पोजीशंस पे लोग होते हैं, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी पोजीशन, मतलब उस कुर्सी से ज्यादा प्यार होता है, तो मुझे लगता है मैंने वो अटैचमेंट पहले दिन से रखा ही नहीं है.
That's
I
so
have
true.
always, I have never had this feeling that, okay, I'm a manager, so I should not be doing this. Or I'm a
Mhm.
manager, I should be doing this. I made it very
Mhm.
clear from the very first day that, okay, I am here to work. So, irrespective, you're a manager, you're a senior manager, you're a general manager, or whatever kind of manager you have to do it. ठीक है. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक एज अ मेरा ये हमेशा ओपिनियन रहा है मैनेजर्स के लिए या जो भी पीपल हु आर एट दैट डेजिग्नेशन, कि अगर तुमको नहीं आता है तो तुम छोटों को कैसे बता सकते हो या अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स को कैसे बता सकते हो कि इसको ऐसे नहीं ऐसा करना है. अगर तुम्हें
Right.
कोई चीज आती होगी ए टू जेड फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू बिगनिंग टू द एंड, तभी तुम किसी को बता सकते हो ना इसमें ये गलती है या तुमने शुरुआत ही गलत करी है. अगर तुम्हें ही नहीं आता है तो व्हाट कैन यू मैनेज, देन
True, true,
बीइंग अ
true.
मैनेजर इज यूजुअली.
So same, I think I also had that experience where I was interviewing for some candidates, and that too for the junior positions. And the people who were appearing, most of them were like almost 5, 10, or 15 years up from me. So I was, I was like completely out of my zone. How to go about it? Okay. So especially when I'm taking the interview, and that's the time when I connected with my boss commenter. So he was like, you forget and forget how the person is related into a particular age number, right? And then be with your ethics, because it's not we are talking rude or talking something. So be with the ethics, how you talk with
Okay.
someone, be generally like that, and then just see how much knowledge somebody is having. That's it, and it
So
becomes little easy. Otherwise it was little tough for me also, because that's why I asked the same question to you. When even when we are working into the corporate world, now is the time when people are working. That's the biggest thing. So
so true,
people of
so true.
different age groups are working. That's such a big regard, and women also they are working. And we just have to see how sensitively we can respect each other into the professional world, whatever knowledge someone has or whatever background someone is coming from, and I think that the things would become a little easier.
I think it is the basis of everything, mutual respect. चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हो, चाहे वो पर्सनल तरीके से हो, चाहे वो रिलीजियस हो, या irrespective, I think जहां म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट आ जाती है, nothing else matters. I, that is what I think. Then age does not matter, gender does not matter. So true. बढ़िया.
Okay, one more question.
Next.
Next.
कोई
Okay,
नहीं, मेरी बारी आएगी.
definitely, definitely. I will ask you, this might be little tough for you, and would be related something to the emotional level also, okay? मैं पहले ही थोड़ा सा warning, हाँ?
कोई बात नहीं,
So,
तुम बाद में बताओ.
for all our friends who are watching this live here, I would love to tell you about Divyajot appearing for one of the best, prestigious, most respected jobs. Not only a job, a responsibility that not everyone can handle very easily. It's a tough job and responsibility that comes from the defense areas of our beloved nation. So she's a die-hard core, lover of all these services. So am I. And she appeared for the exams. She nailed it like a pro. And then comes a time when I have seen you, because that's the time I remember. I have seen you um, doing the extra effort, where I have seen you where you were breaking yourself, जहां तुम अपने आप को तराश रहे थे, तुम तोड़ रहे थे. ठीक है. I have seen you at that time when you were preparing for your SSB.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was.
And anything, I won't say you remember, but one thing which was your takeaway from that experience.
Wow. I first of all, I did not know that this was coming. uh, One experience that was a takeaway from this entire thing. Okay, I always wanted to be an officer. You know, seeing myself in that uniform was my dream. I swear there is nothing I wanted more than that. But somehow I was conferenced out. So I couldn't get through. और मैं सच में बताऊं तो मैंने दोबारा कभी कोशिश ही नहीं की. That was the first and the last time I tried it. So the first thing I want to tell everybody who wants to do something different is पक्का दोबारा try करो. मैंने नहीं किया, but I think you should always try and try till you succeed. Number two, never give up. Just never give up. That the regret of not doing is much more than the regret of failure. Regret of not trying or not giving it your 100% is much more than failing after giving your 100%. So that is the takeaway. मतलब बिल्कुल ही ट्राई ना करना से अच्छा है तुम ट्राई करके फेल हो जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, फिर क्या हो गया. So I think this is something that I learned from that experience, that just give it a shot, no matter how hard it is, no matter you feel that you won't get through, or no matter what, just go for it. For once, go for it.
So nice.
अरे यार, अगर अगर पसंद करने की हिम्मत है ना, तो अटेम्प्ट करने की हिम्मत रखो. अगर इफ आई हैव द गट्स टू फॉल इन लव विद दैट यूनिफॉर्म, तो वो ऐसे मुफ्त में तो मिलेगी नहीं यार, उसके लिए कोशिश तो करनी पड़ेगी. ऐसा.
So definitely I would like to add here, like people say, dream and achieve. There is a very strong point in between the dream and achieve is where you are trying. And then with the trying part, there is failure, there is success, there's so many things which is in between this dream and achieve, which people generally don't tell.
एंड which people usually don't see. लोगों को लगता है लो चुटकी बजाई और पहुंच गए. But that it is not like that. It is definitely not like that.
Rome is not built in one day. So that's
Yes,
how all these verbs come up.
yes, yes. That is how all these proverbs come up. Yes, Rome wasn't built in one day. So true. Good one, huh? Good one.
One more, Divyajot. So,
Shoot.
like you have experienced all these things where you were working for your passion, where you were working for the things that you like to do, like all the accounts, all the numbers thing that, because I remember you were so quick with few of the things. You were enjoying that. You were like quite brainy on that part. And now you are in a particular job set, right? Which is having its own pros and cons. So there are some perks also, there are some struggles also with it, right? So what would you feel and you think how important it is to be into a particular work scenario? Is it should be what all things are important for you? It's money, it's passion, it's happiness. So people do say, if you're having more money, you'll be happy. So most of the people count happiness and money equivalent. So if you would say for your particular work experience, what are the things which is most important for you? Passion, your money, your things which you are good at. What all these things are?
Um, okay, Kartar. अगर यही, if you would have asked this question to a person 5 years ago, or if you would have asked this question to Divyajot 5 years ago, तो मैंने, I would have said something that was totally impractical and immature, but I would not now. People who say money is happiness are not entirely wrong, to be honest. Okay, they always say this, if you like ice creams, money buys those ice creams, and ice creams make you happy. So you ultimately need money for those ice creams, right? So it is not going to, um, you just cannot say that money is not important or money does not bring you happiness, because directly or indirectly it does. And you cannot just remove this thing out of your mind, because तुम्हें रोटी खानी है, उसके लिए पैसा आएगा। तुमको कंफर्टेबल बेड में सोना है, तुमको उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए। सिर पे छत चाहिए, उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए। तो तुमको पैसा तो चाहिए, ठीक है। इफ यू वांट टू परस्यू योर पैशन, ओके, दो आई विद ऑल दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन देयर आर न्यूमरस रिसोर्सेज, पर इंटरनेट के लिए भी पैसा चाहिए ना।
True. That's true. Yeah.
इंटरनेट के लिए भी पैसा चाहिए ना। ओके, आई वाज अबाउट टू से कि हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो तुम्हें अपनी स्किल्स एनहांस करने के लिए पैसा चाहिए, बट नहीं, अब हम लोग इंटरनेट पे देखते, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज वी हैव, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इंटरनेट के लिए भी पैसा चाहिए ना। चाहे जियो मुफ्त में दे रहा है काफी सारा इंटरनेट, बट वो 500 रुपए के लिए भी 500 रुपए चाहिए ना। So people who say that money is not important and I'm all about passion and happiness, I am sorry sir, you need to open your eyes, or madam, you need to open your eyes, because no, you cannot do it without the money. You need to, you need to begin somewhere. Passion is important, it drives you. जैसे मैं कहती हूँ, जिंदगी में किक होनी चाहिए, जिंदगी में किक बहुत जरूरी है। आई एम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवोकेट ऑफ दिस फैक्ट कि जिंदगी में किक होनी चाहिए, पर किक ऐसे नहीं होनी चाहिए कि तुम किक के पीछे भाग रहे हो और तुम्हें जिंदगी में पता ही नहीं है कि how things are going on. You cannot just recklessly be passionate about somebody or something, or and keep going through it. You cannot do that. You need to have your brain and heart at the right place. Balance. I think balance is the core of everything. तुम ज्यादा गुस्सा करते हो, तुम ज्यादा प्यार करते हो, एक्सट्रीम एक्सेस अति हर चीज की बुरी होती है। I think that is the basis of everything. Balance is very important. So I
That's
would
true.
not say कि कोई एक चीज से तुम खुश हो सकते हो, या पैसा या पैशन या एनीथिंग। आई थिंक देयर हैज टू बी अ परफेक्ट मिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग। जो खाना होता है ना, वो ज्यादा तीखा भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, ज्यादा फीका भी।
That's
बैलेंस।
so true. So everything should be balanced. Everything
यस,
should be balanced. True
यस,
that.
यस।
Okay, let's do some fun part. It's too serious now. Okay.
श्योर,
So
या
so
श्योर।
people of generally your and my age, okay, they love to party, all the clubs, all the travel, holidays, maybe there's so many other things. Okay, what is this something for you that you know uh, open up your eyes or give you like yes, go for it, that can cheer you up instantly?
आई थिंक that that's music, dance and art. ये तीन चीजें। Any kind of music. I am crazy about any kind of music. And then there is dancing. मतलब एक्सरसाइज के नाम पे शायद मुझे डांस ही करना आता है और मैं कुछ नहीं करती। और आर्ट, आई थिंक आर्ट इज समथिंग दैट इज डीप engraved deep into my soul, any kind of art. तो ये तीन चीजें हैं जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा।
Yes, I do remember whenever we used to have chat in our friends group, randomly one message which was so common from your side was like, मुझे dance करना है, मुझे dance करना है, and that's the only reason you would like कि चलो, let's go to some party place क्योंकि मुझे dance करना है. Nothing else, no other reason. You can go there into a pajama also.
आई
Although I
डोंट
know
माइंड।
you would love to dress up, but dance is the priority.
डांस इज द प्रायोरिटी, इंडीड डांसिंग इज अ प्रायोरिटी। ये
So
सच है।
nice. Okay, with your art specific angle, can we see some of your drawings or calligraphy that you just mentioned? If it is just near you, you can get them and
एक्चुअली
you can wait.
हाँ, या जस्ट अ सेकंड।
Yes. So just in the matter of time that Divajot is bringing her designs up, I would love to tell you about some things about her designs. She is putting all the things that she's working on the page, that messy girl, and all these designs she's putting over there. And I think I lost her. Are you there, Divya? Yes.
Yes, I'm here.
And in the last call only, we just decided that just came from Divajot that she would be putting all her designs for sale. The sale not only for sale, but selling them for charity. So, yes, you all would be seeing all her designs very soon on social media for a very genuine amount. So, if any of you wants to contribute for the some of the charity purpose, that whatever the widow decides, wherever she wants to send the money, that we will come up with all the details very soon with you, and you can definitely buy them.
Okay, so this is what I usually make. This is
A little
I love flowers. I love flowers, so this is what I do when I am not at the office. I love calligraphy as well, though I'm not very good at it because मैं इसको उतना time devote नहीं करती हूँ जितना मुझे करना
You are
चाहिए.
not good
But
at it. This is very beautiful. So nice.
and
Wow.
you would see a lot of nature and flowers and art. You would see a lot of art.
That's so
Uh,
beautiful.
yeah, that's all. That's some of the pieces.
So can we get something customized also? Like if I want you to write my name over it, like if anyone wants to write some message over it, so can
Yeah,
you
of
write
course.
that also?
Yes, yes, indeed. All these things can be customized.
So I'm sure we are going to get some nice amount to be collected for all your these designs.
Yeah, sure, sure thing. Considering the
Where would you like
pandemic
to
that is going
contribute
on.
this, Divya? We
Um,
we didn't think about it. Where would you like to contribute this for?
I think I actually know that I would contribute all the proceeds to an orphanage here in Chandigarh because um, ऐसा किसी से बात हुई थी और ऐसा सुनने में आया है कि यूजुअल केस सिनेरियो जब तक कोविड नहीं था देयर वर generous amount of donations and there were generous donations in cash and other kind as well. But ever since COVID started, तो donations वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गए थे. So they were facing a lot of shortage.
I missed
So
the place
I
name.
think,
Sorry.
pardon? Sorry.
I missed the name of the place.
I did not mention the name of the place. I would not like to.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
done. So means like it is like for the senior people. Is it for the children or is it for some other?
It's
Can
for
you
the
tell us the
children.
cause?
I said it's for an orphanage. It is for an
It's
orphanage.
for an orphanage. It's for
Yes,
an
it is
orphanage.
for an
Okay,
orphanage. Yes.
that's wonderful. So nice of it.
Thank you.
It was always wonderful to talk to you, Divya.
Same here, Qatar. It was wonderful talking to you after such a long time.
Wow, you always cheer me up. I would definitely say that. I'm on a lighter mode whenever I talk to you.
It is the same. It's likewise. I feel the same totally. And
Yes.
thank you for having me. मतलब मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि why am I
I would say thank you so much to you for saying yes and being our first speaker over here. And having your time was important. So thank you so much. When I said this is a Saturday, without any second thought, you were like, yes, it's a holiday for me, I'll come. So I was very happy. Okay, someone agreed. Thank
I
you so
had
much
to,
for
no?
sharing
Had
your
to.
life experiences.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Qatar. Thank you so much for having me.
And so
Thank
we'll end up the session here and we'll come up with many other normal life stories, which are not
with
actually
you,
normal.
with
Yeah,
you,
with
with
me
you. We
also.
want yes.
Definitely go live. With me also, we can definitely go live. So normal lives which are not very normal because the name is Psychotalks. Okay, we all have that crazy corner in us. So let's see and explore all our stories. That's it.